So tonight I'm heading out to do an overnight camp in a forest, supposedly extremely haunted. Nobody will camp here, and I'm here alone. Come and try and scare me out of this forest. A doorway is open.
Haunted.
Haunted. Does something satanic happen out here? Kill.
You felt me. Watch out, witchcraft.
Tears.
Don't go further.
Don't go further. Right, welcome back to the channel. So tonight I'm heading out to do an overnight camp in a forest that I've been told nobody will come out in camping. So I've come along. I'm going to camp there alone here tonight. So yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who likes, shares and comments on the channel. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. New video will drop every single Wednesday at 8 PM. So yeah, with that, let's get in here. Let's go try and find somewhere to put the tent up. It's going to be a breezy night. It's supposedly raining as well. So we've got a stormy night. It's supposedly extremely haunted. Nobody will camp here, and I'm here alone. What can go wrong? Right, let's find somewhere to pitch up camp for the night. Okay, so the wind is picking up. I can feel a little bit of rain in the air. I'm going to get into this forest here and hopefully I can find somewhere under cover and away from the elements, because I've just looked on my phone and it does say about 90% rain tonight and possible thunderstorms. Right, looks like it's through this way, because I do want some decent cover. And somewhere like this would be pretty spot on for the night. It's a little bit, no, I don't know if I could get a tent down here. Right, let's get further in. We will find somewhere. But yeah, this forest is supposed to be so haunted that nobody will camp here overnight. So challenge accepted. I cannot pass up a good challenge like that. But there's been a lot of reports to this one. People coming out here camping, groups, solo camping, and they have to leave during the night because of the noises they're hearing, voices walking around them. So let's see what happens here tonight then. It's like a jungle out here. Look at it. Has that rock got anything on it? No, just a rock. Well, it's not the easiest to navigate through. And I've got all this to go through yet. See this here, I thought this would have been decent land here, but it's just not the best terrain. Right, let's keep going this way and hopefully we can find something in sort of that direction. And then once it goes dark, we'll do a bit of a ghost hunt, an investigation to see who or what is out here haunting this forest. Well, we've got a couple of helicopters going over. Yeah, that was hard work getting through that there. It's just going on about what, 9:20 now, so I do need to try and find somewhere soon. But this place is just massive. It just goes on and on. Well, just look in front of me. this is what I'm having to deal with. I'm gonna have to go this way, and then it looks like it goes up over there, but the terrain isn't the easiest. It's all like bricky and everything, so I'm hoping I can find a good spot very soon. But yeah, it's been a while since I've come out and done an overnight haunted camp, wild camp. Oh, something's gone on here. Looks like a pigeon or something's been got. Not the weirdest thing I've seen out and about. It's not even that dark yet, but I've had to turn the bloody light on. Right, let's power on this way. See what I mean? I've got to go up and over. But we will find somewhere very soon. So I'm quite deep into this forest. What is this? What are these? Well, that's a first. Oh, midges everywhere. Those boxes are a little bit odd, aren't they? Something I've never seen out and about. Could just be bird boxes, to be fair. Alright, yeah, let's get up here. Up we go. And further in we go. So because it's going to be raining, I think I've found the perfect little spot. So we've got this nice big tree covering us. I know I'm in a tent, but a little bit extra cover can't go wrong, can it? So yeah, I think I'll put the tent here, then we can head on in to the woods over this side, and we've got the woods back behind us as well. Yeah, I've literally got the woods here, the woods behind this tree as well. Let's see if anything happens to me whilst I'm out here tonight, like it has happened to multiple people who have been out here camping in the past. Right, so this is definitely the spot I want. So I'm going to get the tent out now, build it up under there, then I think it's time for a quick cup of coffee and wait for it to go dark. A quick pop-up tent tonight, just so if I do have to leave in a hurry, then it'll only take me 2 minutes to fold this one back down, or even dump it somewhere and come back for it another day. But I don't think it's going to come to that. I don't think so. And that is pretty much it. Nice, simple, and very easy. And we do have a little bit of cover with the tree as a little bit of extra protection. And you might have noticed the bag that I'm using tonight. So this is from Nature Hike. So a 60 litre backpack. Honestly, this is the best backpack I've had. So I will leave a link for it in the description, so if you do like coming out hiking or even camping like me, then I would really recommend getting the Nature Hike bag. Well, yeah, I think it is time for a quick cup of coffee, but once again I will leave a link for Nature Hike, the 60 litre hiking bag, in the description. Honestly, you can't go wrong with that bag. It's so comfortable. I've got so much in the back of that, and you can't even feel the weight on your back, which is good, because I've had some hiking bags where you're breaking your back. I've just walked maybe just under a mile through this forest, didn't even feel it. Back feels fine, so yeah, go check it out. Right, so I'm literally just going through my bag. I'm looking for my air mattress, and I've forgot to pick it up. So all I've got is my sleeping bag So my air mattress and my pillow I've left at home. I've either left them at home or I've left them in the car, but I'm not walking all the way back there to get them. So we'll just have to do, we're here to do an investigation anyway. So we're going to be up most of the night, I'm presuming. Unless it goes quiet, then I'll try and get my head down. Well, the good thing is, I've got my brewing tackle so I can have a cup of coffee, so it's not all a loss, is it? And a nice little cup of coffee. Just let that boil. Then a well-deserved cup of coffee. But it has been quite the adventure just to get to where I am. I think a 5-minute rest is well deserved at this moment in time. Oh, it feels nice that. You know what I forgot to do though? I forgot to pull the handles out. Luckily enough I've got my gloves. I have to say these are the lifesaver. Now that seems to be boiling quite well. Let's hope. Oh, you can hear it. It's not too hot on my hands. Nope, it's not. What a rookie mistake. Yep. Nice hot cup of coffee before we jump in. Before we jump in to an investigation. I think I'm gonna go put my feet up for half an hour and wait for the sun to totally go down whilst enjoying my coffee. You hear that? Sounds like a dog. Sounds like it's in the distance, to be fair. This light seems to be playing with the camera light. That's odd. Don't usually do that. Well, let's turn that off for now anyway. So yeah, it's just such an intriguing place, especially with the stories of campers, hikers, people who just come out for a stroll in the evening and they just say they get an overwhelming feeling like there's something here. And mainly the campers that they're like, we're laying our tents at night and it sounds like somebody's walking around the tent. There's laughing, giggling. So, be interesting if anything remotely like that happens for me out here. But nobody will come out here. Nobody will do what I'm doing and camp out here on their own just because of the hauntings. And a lot of locals do class this as maybe the most haunted forest in the UK. Well, we'll find out. We're here till morning and we will pull Spirit Talker out. I haven't used the K2 tonight and just see how the night goes. Right, so I'm just sat here and I just heard, I'm not too sure if it was an animal or something, but it was just like the weirdest noise ever. I was literally just chilling, having my cup of coffee, Oh, just finishing it off, shall I say. So, let's go for a little walk. Let's pull the spirit talker out for a few minutes. Let's see if we can get any sort of responses. So if there's anybody here, like the reports say, and you like to scare people out, you like to come around people's campsites, run around the tent, laughing. If you are with us, I've got a device in my hand, you should be able to speak to me through it. Can you tell me who you are?
We enjoy the company.
We enjoy the company. So why do you like to scare people? It's not even that late yet. I don't even think
I
it's...
worked here.
You worked here? What sort of work did you do?
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye, friend.
Tear.
Tear. Do you want to come and show yourself to me here tonight? Come and do what you do to other people out here. Come. I think it's just wind that evil. That actually scared the life out of me then. I thought somebody was poking on the back of the tent like. That'd have been a quick video, wouldn't it? Can you come and do something for me? Yeah, it's what? 20 to 11. So it's not too late. There's a big lake or something this way. And the ducks are doing what ducks do, I suppose.
Damage.
Damage. Tear damage. Are you going to do something to my tent? Did you not like people camping here? Is that why you like to try and scare people? Sun. Like sun, like the sun, moon. I'm going to be staying here till morning. Will you be okay with that?
You must help.
What would you like help with? Tell me like what you want help with and I'll try my best.
Disagree.
Disagree. Okay. Right. Let's go for a little walk into this forest and just see if we can get anything. So I've come into the forest here. So if you are here with me, come and speak to me. Give me a sign. Scream from in the woods. Scream your name. Appear. I'm not here to cause any sort of problems. I'm not here to cause you any sort of disrespect.
I'm buried close by.
I'm buried close by. Whereabouts are you buried?
Something is wrong.
What is wrong?
Blood.
Blood. I'm buried close by. Something's wrong. Blood. Witch. The stuff used to go on out here. The more I'm calling out, the more I'm feeling like there's somebody else here. Taylor. It has got... Yeah. It has got a weird feeling to it. And we're not even at 11 o'clock. There. Where?
I was wealthy.
You were wealthy? You're part of a wealthy family, was you? Satanic. This
It's
is
time to talk. Secret.
satanic. It's time to talk. Secret.
Associated.
Associated. It's where?
Ruin.
Ruin. Mabel Ruin.
Down.
Down. Okay, some interesting responses there. Alright, let's go back to the tent, because I am here till morning. It's only just turning 11 o'clock at night, so I have got at least 5.5 hours, maybe 6 hours here yet, and I'm gonna stay the full night. No matter what happens, I'm staying till morning. Right, that was an interesting little session out in the forest just there. Some weird responses coming through on the Spirit Talker, so I'm just gonna lie here for a little bit. Just gonna listen, see if I can hear anything. Hear anything, obviously I'll start recording again. But there is a sensation, like your sixth sense is going out here, like you're constantly looking out into the woods, into the forest to see, because it's like you feel like somebody's watching what you're doing. And isn't a nice feeling, especially when you're doing it on your own out here with all the reports, and then you're getting the sensation like somebody's out there watching you doing what you're doing. But yeah, I'm going to pull my book out, I think, have a bit of a read and just chill out for a short while. Right, so I've been chilling in the tent for about an hour or so. I'm going to go for a walk into the forest now. I'm just laid down and I'm reading my book. I'll show you it shortly. And I heard wah, wah, wah. Birds scared the bleeding life out of me. I almost spilt my coffee everywhere. The book almost went flying everywhere. But it woke me up, so it's all good. So I'll go for a walk over this way. And do some calling out. See? That's what I heard. And it scared the bleeding life out of me. So just imagine, lay there with your book, got a cup of coffee and you're reading it. And then the next thing you hear that, just out of the blue. There's just a weird feeling to it. I think a lot of it comes down to being alone. Because you know you've got nobody here to back you up if something did go wrong. Look at that. How spooky does that look? It's like, I don't know what that is. Is that a tree stump? A very rotten tree stump? Alright, let's put Spirit Talker on. Let's do some calling out and see if anything relevant comes through.
Home.
Home. See, I already had something that suggested, like, I lived here, so
Go further.
don't go further. Are you warning me not to go? Bones. Why should I not go any further? What are you trying to warn me from?
Building.
Building? You try to build your energy? Is that what you're doing? Building some energy?
Almost.
Almost, okay.
Scarlet.
Scarlet, was this your home? Did you live here?
Forest.
Forest? Yes, I'm in a forest.
I've been watching you.
Okay. Okay. You've been watching me? You okay with me being out here?
Victorian.
Well, it is said this place dates
Ginger.
back like 400 or 500 years.
Protected. Charles.
Charles, okay. That's interesting, isn't it? Is this place protected?
Yes, over here.
You want me to come over?
Painful.
See, I am getting some relevant
Stay.
stuff coming through regarding this place.
I can't find my way.
Are you lost? Are you lost out here? You said you can't find your way. What is it you're trying to find?
Satanic.
Does something satanic happen out here?
You felt me. I was treated well. Did I scare you?
You've not scared me, no? I'm going to go back to my tent. Feel free
You
to...
must leave.
I must leave. Why must I leave?
Intense.
People
I
have come...
knocked.
I knocked. People have come out here camping. But I said the same thing. Like they can't stay because they hear voices, laughing, something running around their tent. Is that what you're trying to warn me from?
I had one eye.
Okay. I literally just turned the camera off to go back to the tent and it said, I had one eye, here, Lillian. Who is it that's here? Is it you, Lillian? Are you here watching me? Okay, I heard that. It's strange.
Hospital.
Hospital. Right, back at the tent. That was a strange little session over there. I'm thinking about going further in and going that way soon. Right. So I've been sat in the tent a good 20 minutes, not really heard anything, just the looks over on the lake. But whilst I'm sat here in the tent, I'm going to give a quick necrophonic a go and just see if anything comes through on that. Okay, so I'm sat at the tent. You said you've been watching me. You said your name was Lillian. If you are here, you are watching me, can you tell me your name once again through this other device? Beep. You said I had to go. Why do I have to go? Why do you want me to leave? Is it a negative entity out here? Something that doesn't like people coming here? Kill. What would you say, kill? I've got another device here. I'm going to put it on. If you're here in this tent with me, can you come in, make it change colour? Come and hold my hand. Prove to me that you are here with me. I don't know if I just heard walking. Should we ask the question anyway? Did I just hear you walking outside the tent in the woods? I'm going to carry on reading my book in a minute. I'm going to put my feet up, have another coffee. Will that upset you? Or will you be okay with it? Think so. Right, that's enough of that. Right, so it is going on 1:10 in the morning. I'm here till at least 4 o'clock anyway. So I'm going to go put my feet up. I'm going to try and close my eyes for an hour. The whole point of this one tonight is nobody can last a full... What the f was that? Goddamn bug. My heart just dropped. But yeah, the whole point of it is nobody can last a full night out here. Then I'm determined to stay till morning. There's no getting rid of me from here until morning. But yeah, carry on with my book. Right, let's chill out for a little while. It's just going on 20 to 2 now. So I'm going to put my head down. I'm going to try and get an hour's sleep. Not really heard much else. Luckily enough, for me anyway, I've not heard any running around the tent. I did hear what sounded like footsteps earlier, but about 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. So yeah, alright, I'm going to try and get a little bit of sleep because I want to try and do a little bit around about 3 o'clock in the morning before it gets light and just see if anything happens then. Right, so it's just gone 3:10 in the morning. I dozed off. I think I've only had about an hour and a bit. I woke up because I thought I could hear talking, like 2 people having a full-on conversation. I don't know if it was wildlife because I was asleep and I was just wake. It stirred me as I was waking up. I thought, is that somebody speaking outside? So I've opened the tent, had a quick look around, but I can't see no one. I can't say it was somebody 100%. It could have just been like the ducks, something over at the lake. Well, did it startle me? Of course it did. So I think with that, it's time to get another cup of coffee on the go. Let's not forget this time, eh? Let's put the handles out. Now time to just sit here 5 minutes and wait for the water to boil. Quick cup of coffee, and then we'll crack on with a bit more of this investigation. But so far, other than the spirit talker, other than what I thought was talking but I can't say for 100%, and the walking that I thought I heard outside earlier on, it's not been a bad night. I've not felt like I have to leave. But again, that's a good thing coming out to these places, to witness it for yourself, to experience it for yourself, and just to see if anything is here haunting the place, or if you can capture anything. Maybe I've camped in the wrong spot so far, I don't know, but I'm still out here, I'm still doing it. But yeah, time for a nice cup of coffee. Oh, there we go. Boiling away nicely, that. Oh, just the right amount. Look at the steam on that. I thought I could hear it. Just listen. The rain's about to start. Right, best drink this and then get out there into the forest and do a bit more ghost hunt to see if I can communicate with what is here haunting this forest. Hear that? I don't know what the hell that was. It was like a dee 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 dee. Right, drink this coffee, then I'm going to get out there and do a bit. Okay, I'm sat here trying to enjoy my coffee. And I'm not too sure if it was a deer or an animal, but something run past when I'm pointing the torch now. Yes, did I almost spill my coffee all over me once again? Yes, I did. So yeah, it was a little bit strange. Just gonna try to listen to see if I can hear anything else. I'll tell you what, I'm going to run the spirit talker from here for a minute. Hear that again? Okay. Is there someone here watching what I'm doing?
Be careful.
What have I got to be careful of? I'm going to say it again, what have I got to be careful of?
Innocent.
Who is it that haunts this forest?
Jasmine.
No way. Jasmine. Jasmine.
Look above.
Look above. Alright, let's have a quick look. The only thing that's above me is a tree.
20.
Is that your age? 20?
Bernadette.
Bernadette? Would I be okay to come back out into the forest now?
I guess you have questions.
Come on. Yeah, I have some questions. Would you be okay answering some of the questions?
There's many others. Please go left. Communicate.
Come on. This is why I love to use the Spirit Talker.
Desolation.
Desolation. Did something bad happen out here in this forest?
I will follow you.
Well, I'd rather you not follow me.
I'm taking my time.
Here comes the vein. Apparently it's going to be setting as well till around about 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you come over to where I'm sat? Can you see my lights? If you can, come over and speak to me.
The wall.
The wall? Can you come over here to where I am?
Haunted.
Haunted. Haunted. Is this forest haunted? It's already mentioned forest here tonight as well.
Watch out witchcraft.
Watch out witchcraft.
15.
How crazy is that? It's already mentioned witchcraft tonight. I'm not sure what that is. Right, I'm going to finish my coffee. Hopefully this is just a bit of drizzle for the time being. Then I'm going to get out there and just try and communicate a little bit more. Right, so I'm going to try and stay underneath the tree line anyway. As you can hear, it is starting to come down pretty hard. Come and speak to me. I've not really heard what people are hearing out here. I've heard a few little bits, but nothing that'll scare me out. Been here all night on my own.
Frank.
Frank. Come on, come and speak to me. Come and try and scare me out of this forest. Make me want to leave. Because as it stands, I feel quite peaceful here. Rush towards me. Show yourself. Manifest yourself.
Lillian.
Lillian. Did I get Lillian before? I think I could have. Can you come and show yourself? It'll be light soon. Come over to my tent.
Caves.
That's interesting.
Many lives were lost.
Many lives were lost. Caves. Supposedly there was caves here, but they've been filled in since.
Harmony.
Many lives lost. Harmony. So could there have been people that lost their lives in the caves, and that's why they don't want people to come out here camping and so on. Interesting. It is interesting. You hear that rain now. I've got a bit of coffee left. I'm going to go back into the tent. Just as I'm getting in the tent, it says a doorway is open. I don't know about that, but it was just interesting just to show you. That's what it's saying. Right, we're getting the tent before I start getting pee wet through. Right, the rain is finally started to settle. It's what, 4:25 in the morning now. It started getting light, and I think with that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start packing everything up. So I'm going to start getting the tent and that packed up now, get everything back in the bag, try and get back through this forest before it starts raining again, because it said from 5 PM it's going to be 85% rain. I don't fancy getting absolutely drenched on the way back to the car. Look how beautiful it is out here now that the sun's about to come up. Well, yeah, let me know what you thought of that in the comment section down below. Do you want to see more solo camping in haunted woodland, haunted forests like this? And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on a new video every single Wednesday. All my social media links are in the description down below, as well as a link to Nature Hike if you do fancy grabbing yourself a new bag. Yeah, until next Wednesday, I'm out of here.